Popular platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and many others have started to support AI and encourage people to use it more effectively. This is because one person, with the help of AI, can replace an entire team. And from my experience, affiliate marketing is the best business you can start online in 2024, even if you're a beginner. What sets affiliate marketing apart from other online works is that your only mission is to produce content. Yes, you don't need to worry about design, programming, delivery, or setting up online stores. The work basically involves just 2 stages. I'm not just talking, this is what I do. And here are some of the results I've achieved since the beginning. These commissions were earned using social media alone without any paid ads. Everything was done for free. Simply put, your main task is to produce standout marketing content. And just imagine combining affiliate marketing with AI. How powerful would that be? It would multiply your productivity 5-fold, save you time and money, and you wouldn't even need video editing skills. That's exactly what Mr. Minato will demonstrate in this video. I chose to share content on TikTok and Pinterest because they are well-known platforms visited by millions of users daily. You can also include YouTube and Instagram, but it's advisable to start gradually. For this strategy, we'll follow 2 steps. First, we'll explore how to find the best affiliate product to promote. Second, we'll discover the easiest method to create viral product videos using AI. Step 1. How to find the right affiliate product to promote. First, let me explain to you what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. When someone buys a product through your special link, you earn a commission. The product you promote is called an affiliate product. To find the right affiliate product to promote, you need to choose something that fits your audience and is useful to them. It's best to look for a product that is trending, in high demand, and has low competition. For example, if your audience likes fitness, you can promote trending workout equipment or healthy supplements. If they love technology, you can promote gadgets, apps, or online courses that are currently popular but not oversaturated. There are many affiliate programs where you can find these products. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, which offers a wide variety of products, eBay Partner Network for secondhand and new items, Etsy for unique and handmade goods, TikTok Shop for trending products, and AliExpress for affordable items in different categories. Each platform offers different types of products, so you can choose the one that matches your niche best. After registering as an affiliate on one of these platforms, it's time to search for a product. You can search the old-fashioned way, for example, by choosing Amazon, going there, and starting your search based on category, price range, or product ratings. But I don't recommend that. This is a random method that may or may not succeed. However, have you heard of Topview? Topview is an online AI video editor that turns your links or media assets into viral videos in one click. It's powered by YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook ads libraries, enhancing videos with realistic AI avatars. But before we see how to use it to create viral videos in one click, this tool has features called TikTok Ads Library and YouTube Ads Library that will help you search for trending products on TikTok and YouTube. The TikTok Ads Library is a powerful feature that allows you to see what's currently trending on TikTok, offering real-time insights into popular products and viral content. It showcases top-performing ads, helping you identify products with strong potential. Similarly, the YouTube Ads Library helps you find ads that are performing well on YouTube, giving you a clear view of what's in demand. By combining these tools, you can quickly spot trends and choose affiliate products that are most likely to succeed. After finding popular products on Topview, you can search for these products on affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, where you're likely to find them, since nearly all trending products are available on these major platforms. You can then start promoting them for affiliate commissions. Now that we're done with the theory, let's move on to practical steps and execution together. Let's search for a trending and profitable product to promote. After signing up on Topview, you'll find the registration link in the first comment and in the description box. Click directly on TikTok Ads Library. Here we can filter by time, and I'll select the last 7 days. Then choose the country you want to target, followed by the industry based on your niche and content type. I'll select sports and outdoor, then fitness equipment, because as you know, the fitness industry is lucrative. Everyone wants to improve their physique and athletic performance, which means they need products and tools to help them. Next, click Apply. I'll filter the videos to only show those with over 100,000 likes. This way, we'll see the most successful ads from the last 7 days, revealing the best-selling products and giving us plenty of ideas for our upcoming videos. We can watch any video here and view its statistics. I like this one that helps strengthen the hand, forearm, and fingers. A short video like this on TikTok got over 190,000 likes and many comments, all within just the last week. The platform allows us to download the video or copy the script for use in our own video, or even add it to our favorites to watch later. And it's not the only successful video featuring this product. There are many others varying in design. So now that we've identified the product, we go to the Amazon platform and search for hand strengthener. As you can see, all types are available here with prices ranging from $9 to $30. You can choose based on price, bestsellers, new arrivals, or customer reviews until you find the one that suits you. After a quick search, I found this product priced at $15. This is a physical therapy hand exerciser, a purple stress relief ball designed to strengthen the hand, fingers, and forearm. It's great for exercise training and physical therapy, helping improve grip strength and relieve stress. Remember, the more expensive the product you choose, the higher your potential profit. After that, you need to copy your affiliate link, which you'll use to promote the product. This requires signing up for Amazon Associates, as we mentioned earlier. Here we have completed the first step, and now let's move on to the easiest way to create viral product videos using AI. In this step, we won't use multiple AI tools like writing the script separately, recording the voiceover, then editing, and finally adding auto captions. No, we won't do that because I have a single AI tool that combines everything you need and eliminates the need for all other programs. This tool is the easiest way to create viral product videos using AI, and it's called Topview, the same site we used earlier. I'll leave the registration link in the first comment and in the description box as well. This tool will be your companion in affiliate marketing. After registering on Topview, click on Use Cases and then Affiliate Marketing. The site allows you to create marketing videos in 3 steps. Step 1, paste your product link or upload your videos. Step 2, AI generates the scripts and previews the video. Step 3, edit the video and export. Topview offers professional voiceovers in over 20 languages, as well as diverse avatars specifically designed for marketing and various AI subtitle styles for viral short videos. Let's sign in and see how to create the video step by step. The most important thing to focus on is the video's introduction, also known as the hook. The hook is super important because it's the first thing viewers see. It needs to grab their attention quickly, making them want to keep watching. A strong hook can make the difference between a video that goes viral and one that gets ignored. So, how can you make sure the hook is catchy and engaging? First, we go to Hot Hook. You'll find the best hooks on TikTok. For example, select sports and outdoors, then fitness equipment. You'll see a long list of hooks, each with the number of videos using the same hook and the number of likes. You can search thoroughly for a hook that fits your content. I selected this hook, which has 17,000 likes. We can view the video from here, then copy the hook and save it in our notes. Next, go to the dashboard and click on Create Videos with AI. Here you can add the product link from Amazon. The site accepts the platforms I mentioned earlier. Copy the link and paste it here, then click Analyze Link. The site will analyze the link and retrieve all images and videos related to the product page. You can also upload your own images and videos. We can filter here and choose the clips and images we want to appear in the video. Topview will automatically analyze the images and videos. Notice that I only provided the link and the site did the rest automatically. Images, videos, title, and description. You can also do this manually by adding images and videos yourself, writing the title and description, and then selecting the video format, language, and voiceover with options for filtering such as language and tone of voice. After that, choose the avatar or character you want to speak on your behalf in the video. For me, the suitable character is this muscular one. After clicking Generate, 3 scripts will appear. Choose one and you can edit it as needed. Don't forget that we copied the hook earlier, so we need to place it at the beginning of the video to grab viewers' attention. Click on the first sentence in the script, then click Edit and insert 1 row above. Paste the hook here in the first line. Finally, click Preview and wait until the video reaches 100%. Now the video is ready. You can either modify it or download it directly. Click Edit to make changes. First, I'll remove the background music. Then, you can choose if you want the images to cover the entire video or just a part of it. I'll keep it as is so the image appears fully without any part hidden. This is up to your preference. Next, click on this character to edit the captions that appear in the video. You can find different styles here. I think I'll keep the style as it is because it looks good and is suitable. Click Export to download the video for free. The site initially gives you 10 points to download 2 videos for free as a trial. After that, the site requires payment to download more videos without watermarks. The prices start at $9.50 per month. If you're serious about starting affiliate marketing, Topview is the best choice for you and will handle approximately 90% of your work.
This video is for all my boys who want to get their finger game up this summer. Can you squeeze harder than this hand exerciser? Challenge yourself and improve your grip strength. Increase your forearm tone like a beast. Seriously, turn those noodle arms into guns. Strengthen all 18 muscles in one go. Flexibility? Check. No injury risk? Double check. Feeling anxious? This stress relief ball is here. Squeeze away that pressure and feel the flow. Writers, golfers, and even rehab patients love this, because who can't use a little hand love? This 3-piece set is perfect for life on the go, because fitness can happen anywhere, am I right? Made with the highest quality materials, fam. Soft, flexible, and ready for endless squeezing.
As you can see, I have a store for my channel where I sell various items all branded with the Mr. Minato logo, such as this desk mat, slides, notebook, t-shirt, pillow, and this mug. I want to create an advertisement video for this indoor pillow using Topview. I will register and follow the same process as before, but this time I won't use a specific link. Instead, I'll upload the photos and videos I took with my phone of the pillow, then write a simple title and description below. Of course, I will copy the same information from the page dedicated to my pillow. Next, I'll choose the appropriate size. Then I'll choose a specific voiceover and an avatar to speak in the video. After clicking generate, 3 different scripts will be created. I will select one of them and make any necessary edits. That's it. The video has been successfully created. I'll leave you to watch it.
Are you tired of boring pillows? This indoor pillow rocks the Mr. Minato logo. Black and dark navy, total vibe check. Can we talk about comfort? Soft polyester insert, like a hug for your head. You need this for binge-watching sessions. A pillow that cleans itself? Not quite, but close. It's machine washable, so no worries if life happens. Hidden zipper? Genius for easy maintenance. Feeling that spring vibe? Order now. Get yours shipped by September 16th, 2024. Worldwide shipping available, so everyone can enjoy.
Once you have successfully created your video using Topview, it's time to publish it. Start by uploading your video to Pinterest. When you create a pin, include a compelling title and description that highlights the benefits of the product. Don't forget to add your affiliate link in the profile and pin's destination URL so that viewers can easily purchase the product through your link. Next, upload the video to TikTok. Use relevant hashtags and create a catchy caption to attract viewers. Again, place your affiliate link in your bio and direct your audience to check it out. That's all for today. This has been Mr. Minato. If you like this strategy, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Thank you.